अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आगनो समूह तो रहियो नूर समूह यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों अॻियां थींदड़ टीचिंग जा जेके टेस्ट आहिनि IB सरकार तरफ़ां JEE PST टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन लाइ वीडियो ॿी क़िस्त आहे तव्हां हाज़िर आहे। जनरल साइंस जो 6 खां 8 जो जेको कवर पिया करियूं साइंस खे। पहिरियों सवाल नंबर पहिरियों, SI unit of force is a watt, joule, C Newton, B kilogram. Correct answer Newton. Question number 2, a force with opposite motion is known as a friction, B gravity, C pull, D push. Correct answer friction. Got. Question number 3, force can be measured by help of a Fugmeter, B spring balance, C pen balance, D both A and B. Correct answer is both A and B. Question number 4, force can make a stationary object to a move, B rotate, C spin, D still. Correct option is move. Question number 5, force can easily change the A direction of an object, B gravity of an object, C density of an object, D volume of an object. Correct answer is direction of an object. Question number 6, gravitational force which acts on a body is called a mass, B weight, C size, D load. Correct answer is weight. Question number 7, density has SI unit which is A kilogram per cubic meter, B gram per cubic meter, C meter per kilogram, D meter per cubic meter. Correct answer is kilogram per cubic meter. Question number 8, in systemic diagram force can be presented by an arrow, B plus, C dot, D star. Correct answer is arrow. Question number 9, shape and size of objects can be changed by help of A force, B energy, C heat, D light. Correct answer is force. Question number 10, if an object is at rest, forces act on it are in A balanced, B unical, C higher, D lower. Correct option is balanced. Question number 11, a frictional force acting on an object when it moves through is called A air resistance, B water resistance, C air pressure, D air conditioning. Correct answer is air resistance. Question number 12, upward push acting on object which is immersed in liquid or gas polarity or totally is called A gravity, B mass, C weight, D. upthrust. Correct answer is upthrust. Question number 13. We write on a board with chalk without slipping on floor is due to presence of A. gravity, B. friction, C. pull, D. push. Correct answer friction, B. Question number 14. Force of attraction between two masses is called A. gravitational force, B. friction, C. pull, D. push. Correct answer is A. gravitational force. Question number 15. Earth pulls objects toward center, causes it to A. in the center, B. on the ground, C. on the poles, D. on the floor. Correct option is in the center. Question number 16. Dead Sea is full of A. sand, B. salt, C. minerals, D. shells. Correct answer is B. salt. Question number 17. Mass of substance per unit of volume is called its A. weight, B. density, C. volume, D. gravity. Correct answer is density. Question number 18. There will be a great distance in stopping a vehicle which is moving A. slowly, B. steady, C. fast, D. continuously. Correct answer is C. fast. Question number 19. Relationship between force, mass and acceleration is A. F is equal to ma, A. F is equal to ma, B. F is equal to m minus A, B. F is equal to m oblique A, D. F is equal to m oblique m, A oblique m. Correct answer is F is equal to ma. Question number 20. In order to reduce air and water resistance, objects are shaped in A. streamline, B. oblongata, C. rectangular, D. conical. Correct answer is streamline. Question number 21. Substance will float on surface of water if its density is less than A. liquid, B. gas, C. both A and B, D. aqueous. Correct answer is both A and B. Question number 22. Which of these is not a planet? Plant, grass, B. fungi, C. fern, D. moss. Correct answer is fungi. Question number 23. Percentage of nitrogen in atmosphere: A. 76%, B. 77%, C. 78%, D. 71%. Correct answer is 78%. Question number 24. Percentage of oxygen in atmosphere: A. 21%, B. 23%, C. 22, D. 24. Correct answer is 21%. Question number 25. The total number of elements are discovered: A. 110, B. 90, C. 78, D. 99. Correct answer is 110. Question number 26. The total number of elements found free in our atmosphere: A 110, B 90, C 78, D 99. Correct answer is 90. Question number 72. The Latin name of gold: A argentum, B natrium, C aurium, D ferrum. Correct answer is aurium. Question number 28. The Latin name of silver: A argentum, B natrium, C aurium, D ferrum. Correct answer is A argentum. Question number 29. Decomposers help in: A breaking dead waste, B recycle nutrients, C both A and B, D spreading decay. Correct answer is both A and B, breaking dead waste, recycle nutrients. Question number 30. Detritus is eaten by earthworm, B millipede, C both A and B, D birds. Correct answer is both A and B. दोस्तों टी सवाल ॿियो हिसो जेको आहे तव्हां ॾिठो NTA जी तयारी साइंस जनरल साइंस 6 खां 8 जे कोर्स मां उम्मीद तव्हांखे पसंदि आयो हूंदो। तव्हां लाइक कजो, शेयर कजो, इन दोस्तनि में घणे खां घणी प्रचार कयो असांजे चैनल खे, तव्हां सभिनी खे तव्हां सां गॾु पंहिंजे दोस्तनि ॿारनि खे बि हिन हवाले सां फ़ाइदो थिए। महिरबानी।